Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you ready for an exciting adventure full of knowledge and entertainment? If the answer is yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a single episode. Welcome to our video that will take you on a journey to explore the magical city of Sorrento, where art, history, and nature blend together in an enchanting fusion. Piazza Tasso. Piazza Tasso is the vibrant heart of Sorrento. It is named after the famous poet Torquato Tasso, who was born in the city. The square is surrounded by cafes, restaurants, and shops, making it an ideal place to stroll and soak up the lively atmosphere of the city. Here, you can admire the statue of Tasso and enjoy a coffee while watching people pass by. Duomo di Sorrento. The Duomo di Sorrento is a majestic cathedral located in the historic center of the city. Dating back to the 15th century, it features a fascinating architectural style with a Renaissance facade. Inside, you will find artworks, frescoes, and a beautiful marble pavement. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the bell tower for a breathtaking panoramic view of the city and the sea. Villa Comunale. Villa Comunale is a wonderful public park that overlooks the Gulf of Naples. It is a perfect place to relax, take a stroll, or simply enjoy the view. Within the park, you will also find the Corral di Terranova Museum, which houses a collection of artworks and historical objects. The combination of natural beauty and culture makes Villa Comunale a must-visit place in Sorrento. Marina Grande. Marina Grande is a picturesque fishing harbor located at the bottom of Sorrento. This charming seaside village is famous for its traditional colorful fishing boats and seafood restaurants along the waterfront. It is an ideal place to savor delicious local dishes, take a walk on the beach, and immerse yourself in the maritime culture of Sorrento. Baths of Queen Giovanna. The Baths of Queen Giovanna are a fascinating natural attraction located along the coast of Sorrento. This ancient Roman settlement includes a natural pool surrounded by cliffs and a sea cave. You can swim in the crystal clear waters or simply admire the breathtaking surrounding landscape. This unique and picturesque place is perfect for a day trip. Valley of the Mills. Valley of the Mills is a picturesque green area located in the upper part of Sorrento. Here, you can admire the ruins of old watermills and enjoy a panoramic view of the city and the sea. It is a peaceful and scenic place, ideal for a rejuvenating walk and capturing panoramic photos. During a stroll along Vallone dei Mulini, you can breathe in the fresh air and enjoy the tranquility of the surrounding nature. It is a refuge from the bustling city and offers an opportunity for a refreshing break. Cloister of San Francesco. The Cloister of San Francesco is a fascinating attraction located near the Sorrento Cathedral. This cloister dates back to the 14th century and features a series of Gothic columns and a charming inner garden. It is a peaceful and serene place where you can admire the architectural beauty and immerse yourself in history and spirituality. Valley of the Ferriere. The Valley of the Ferriere is a wonderful nature reserve located a few kilometers from Sorrento. This pristine natural environment is crossed by a river and covered with lush vegetation, with a waterfall that creates a magical atmosphere. It is a paradise for nature lovers and offers scenic trails that lead to incredible panoramic views. A visit to the Valley of the Ferriere will allow you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of the Campania region. Sedile Dominova. The Sedile Dominova is a historic building located in the center of Sorrento. Originally built as the seat of municipal power, it now hosts exhibitions and cultural events. Its charming architecture and Renaissance decorations make it a place of great historical and artistic interest. A visit to the Sedile Dominova will allow you to discover further facets of Sorrento's rich history. Museum of Tarsia Lignea. The Museum of Tarsia Lignea is dedicated to the art of wood inlay, a traditional artistic craft of Sorrento. Inside the museum, you can admire a vast collection of finely crafted inlaid objects. It is a unique opportunity to discover and appreciate this traditional art form that has made Sorrento famous worldwide. I hope this overview of the 10 places in Sorrento has been helpful to you. Each location offers its unique beauty and attraction, and I recommend visiting them all to fully immerse yourself in the magic of this enchanting Italian city. Have a wonderful trip! If you liked the video, leave a comment, click on it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more videos. Join us as we continue to explore the treasures of Italy, and let's keep discovering together.